Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're introducing the all-new Tata T-REX Concept 4x4 Jeep, a bold combination of power, luxury, technology and off-road capability.
Every Tata T-REX begins as raw automotive-grade steel. These materials will soon become the foundation of a luxury SUV. The raw steel is transformed into precision body panels. Powerful stamping machines shape every component with extreme accuracy. Each panel is engineered to meet strict quality standards. Inside the foundry, raw power meets precision. Molten iron is poured at over 2,000 degrees. This is the birth of a high-performance engine. Next, advanced CNC machining centers produce the axle housings, differential assemblies, and drivetrain components that give the Tata T-REX its legendary off-road capability. The journey of the Tata T-REX begins. Members are welded. Advanced robotic system mounting points. The result is an extremely rugged chassis. The heart of the Tata T-REX is installed. Powerful engines are mounted. Precision robotics secure every component, transforming it into a functional platform.
At the final body assembly station, the fully painted frame arrives from Panoramic systems with the assembly.
At the final body assembly station, precision robotics and skilled technicians install the Tata T-REX doors. The metallic green front doors are carefully aligned. The panoramic sunroof is precisely installed, adding a premium open-air experience. Next, the rugged rear-mounted stepney wheel is securely fitted. The beast awakens. A thunderous engine comes to life. Signature LED lighting ignites the darkness. One design, unlimited possibilities. Red, black, white, sky blue, pink, yellow. Choose your color. Own the road. Experience limitless personalization.